Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. In this video, we are going to discuss a death in revenue lockup. Please remember, death in revenue lockup and no serious inquiry or no serious magistral inquiry by the revenue officials. Therefore, the writ petition has been filed, and the High Court asked for the report from the government. You can refer this case as Neeraj Dubey versus State of UP and 5 others in civil writ number 26299 by 2022. Right. 2 judges bench, Justice Surya Prakash Keshwani and Saurabh Srivastava of Allahabad High Court. They issued notice to UP government in regard to the snail's inquiry in connection with the death of a person in revenue lockup. Actually, I do not know that there exists a revenue lockup. In our area, only police lockup. Whatever, whether it is a revenue matter, land matter, even it is a civil case, normally they hand over the person to the police so that he can be transferred to the civil jail or the Rajmandri or some other jail. But I did not hear the word revenue lockup. But when I saw the revenue code, section 171 of the UP revenue code, yes, it is clear that they can confine the persons who failed to repay the revenue cyst and against whom some certificates have been issued. That means you can collect this amount. Banks and other things, banks and other institutions, they will be giving certificates. Likewise, it happened. Right. We will go to the facts of the case. Actually, the Union Bank of India, Robertsganj branch, Sonebhadra district in Uttar Pradesh, they have given a recovery certificate to the Tahsildar of Sonebhadra. So this is to say that this man, the Tahsildar, is authorized to attach the property, to arrest the so-called Dubey, whatever it is, whose name is right. Likewise, his name is Sudhakar Prasad Dubey. So the recovery certificate was issued against Sudhakar Prasad Dubey, who was the proprietor of Dubey Electronics, right? Because he fell due to the Union Bank. Therefore, they approached the revenue authorities and they have given the pay certificate, recovery certificate. Based on this, the Tahsildar and his officers arrested Mr. Sudhakar Prasad Dubey on 12/5/2022. 12/5, 5th month it happened. Right? So the collection Amin and Tahsildar, both of them effected the arrest. Then he was kept in revenue lockup from 12/5/2022 till his death on 19/5/2022. That means for about 1 week he was there in the revenue lockup. So lockup means I do not think that it will not be existing like police lockup. He will be asked to wait along with the Amin other persons. He will be asked to repay. He might have promised that he would pay something like that. It happened, like it might have happened. This is only my assumption. I did not know. Actually, I did not know that there exists a revenue lockup. Right. Ultimately, he died on 19/5/2022. Definitely, it's a violation of human right because you all know Article 21 of the Constitution of India gives right to life and liberty, and it has to be protected by the state. And the state cannot kill anybody. Definitely, basing on the information of death, his son Neeraj Dubey, he approached the concerned revenue officials who promised to do some justice to him, and ultimately the collector of Sonebhadra, he has ordered an inquiry regarding the custodial death by the subdivisional magistrate Sonebhadra. Subdivisional magistrate means RDO. Right. Now, please remember what is happening. This is the main problem. The revenue authorities are totally non-serious about the inquiry, and they are making sincere efforts, or every effort is making to compromise the case, to bury the case, and to delay the entire matter. Therefore, his son Neeraj Dubey, he sent representations to the Principal Secretary Home, DGP, Collector, and Superintendent of Police, etc. And 5 others you have noted. So please remember, even after 3 months have passed, no sustainable efforts were made, no serious inquiry was made. Therefore, when basically it is a violation of human right, a precious life is lost, who is going to substitute the same? Therefore, the persons should be punished and the compensation should be given. This is what happens when a death in police custody occurs. Same is the case here. The only difference is revenue lockup. So please remember, the High Court observed that the conduct of the respondents, that is the collector and others, needs to be dealt with strictly so that the rule of law would prevail. And please remember, they have mentioned Article 21 also, right to live. And please remember, the prevailing situation in revenue lockup also should be checked up. It needs to be examined. Action on the inquiry officers have to be taken up. Anyway, they have given the notice and the matter is posted to today, that is 12/9/2022. Let us see what will happen. So it is a very serious issue. Normally, we expect such things to happen while in police custody. But here it happened in the revenue custody. Revenue people normally they are sober, but I don't know how these things happen. And definitely, when a precious life is lost, it has to be taken very seriously. And the higher officials, they have to order for inquiry and see that the inquiry is completed within 2 or 3 months. But if the delay is there, delay is dangerous. Justice delayed is justice denied. All of you know. So, if the revenue officials can conduct the inquiry as early as possible and take action against the errant revenue officials, things will subside. Otherwise, this man will not keep quiet. Anyway, this is a new concept for us, death in revenue lockup. So, I will inform you after the necessary actions taken. Till such time, bye. Thank you.